Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made this really pretty freestyle set. If you guys want to know how to make it, please continue watching. So I'm starting off with my nails already prepped. I already applied a base coat off camera, and now I'm going to go on with this iGel Beauty color called Piglet. It's a really pretty base color, and I'm going to be applying this to the index finger, the ring finger, and the middle finger.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these views.
Now for the thumb and ring finger, I'm going in with this really beautiful shade called Hot Gossip by iGel Beauty. Look at this pink, you guys. It's perfect for summer, spring, any of those seasons. I love this color. And I'm going to be applying this over all, or not over all the nails, over the thumbnail and the pinky nail. And I love this gel polish, especially because this is a one coater, you guys. Like, you do not need 2 coats of this. It's that pigmented. You could if you want to, but I'm going to be laying glitter over these, so there's no need for that. And I decided I wanted to ombre the index finger and the ring fingernail, so I went in with this really beautiful blue color by D&D, and I'm applying it to the very tips of the nails, and I'm going to ombre it out with my cosmetic sponge. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video on how I ombre my nails, I will leave the link down below. I have a full video that shows you guys exactly how I ombre my nails.
All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity,
Once I'm done with the ombre, I'm going to go ahead and top coat the ombre nails. And I'm going to be using my iGel Beauty No Cleanse top coat. This is my absolute favorite top coat. And I'm going to be applying a thin layer to the ombre nails.
we can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away.
Now I'm going to apply the same exact top coat over the thumbnail and the pinky nail. And this top coat, you guys, you do not want to cure it because I'm going to go in and sugar these nails. I'm going to be applying a glitter color on top of them and then cure it. You guys will see in the next clip.
I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So for my glitter, I'm actually going to be using an acrylic. It's by Glam and Glitz. It's called Lush Coconut, and this gives the most beautiful sugar effect I've ever seen. Like, I love this glitter. So I'm going to be applying that over my nails. And I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but I had my air conditioner on and the glitter was flying everywhere. So yeah, if you're going to be doing this, I would turn off your air conditioner if you have it on. Or if there's like a nearby fan, turn it off. But yeah, so I'm just getting it and applying a coat of that glitter over the nails, and I'm doing the same to the pinky. So basically here you want to get all the areas where there's gel on top of. You do not want to see no spots that still look shiny. You want to make sure they look fully coated with this glitter. And after you take those glitter nails out of the lamp, you do want to wipe them off with a fluffy brush. Just brush off the excess glitter. Now for my ombre nails, I went ahead and I applied a matte top coat. This is my favorite matte top coat. It's by Koopa. And I'm applying a layer over the ombre nails. And I find you guys to get the best application of matte gel, you want to put it over a normal, like, no cleanse gel top coat or even a cleanse gel top coat. It just gives the best effect. Then you want to go back in with your gel top coat, and I'm going ahead and I'm applying a top coat, a shiny top coat to the middle fingernail. And again, I'm using the iGel Beauty No Cleanse top coat. And I really didn't know what I was going to do here on the nails because this is a freestyle set. But I knew that I wanted to incorporate these flowers that I got from Shien. And yeah, I really like the way the results came out. So here I'm just trying to figure out what exactly I'm going to do with the nails. I was like not sure. I knew I wanted to use some white, some blue, and some pink flowers. So I was just grabbing what I think I would need here. So to apply my flowers and my bling, I'm going to be using my Zulays Nail Bling adhesive, and I'm going to go in with the index fingernail, and I'm going to apply a drop of that Zulays glue, and I'm just going to apply the flowers like how I think that they would look nice. And I ended up bringing in some bling as well, so you guys would see that here. As you can see, I accidentally flipped over the container. Does anyone else hate when that happens? That happens to me so often and it's so annoying. But yeah, I just ended that clip and I cleaned it up. But here I go in with the bling. And like I said, this was a freestyle, so I was just going off my head. And this is what I decided to do. And I'm actually really glad I did because it came out so pretty.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
For the middle nail, I decided to go in with a little bit more bling, and I wanted to incorporate these super pretty rhinestones. They're pink. So I grabbed my container that I have random colors in, and I grabbed these pink ones. I forgot the name of the shape of this rhinestone, but it's super pretty.
Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
And once you're done with that, you're done creating your nail set. It should look something like this. I absolutely love this set. I hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Beach views and then every day.